Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Club América 2024-25 home shirt. And this shirt was purchased from BestZV1.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHgate link from my usual seller. I very much doubt it'll be for this shirt. If I can't find this one, which I don't think I will be able to, I'll just leave a generic link in the description. So the shirt comes in a standard Nike bag, and on the flip side it does have the usual health warnings. So if you are new around here and you enjoy this sort of content, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe also if you're new, because I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Delivery timescales from BestZV1, you're looking at about 15 days, which is absolutely perfect. And to be fair, pretty much the same as you get from all sellers now. So this is a Club América 24-25 home shirt from BestZV1.com. All details in the description of this video. What we'll do now is let's get this bag open and take a look at this shirt. Okay, we'll start at the front of the shirt, and it's that standard sort of player spec material that we seem to be getting on all of these sort of Nike shirts. Standard collar line with just this little cut, which I'd never know why they've done it. The Nike emblem is rubberized, so it's a player one, so yes, heat pressed on, but it is a rubber. Likewise, the Club América badge is also rubber. What I do like though is the sponsor is into the material, so you can just about see there, hopefully. The shirt is yellow, although it went a bit white there, and the sponsor is like a orangey sort of red colour. On this sleeve we have one of the patches, Liga BBVA Mexico, and we've also got a sleeve sponsor, which again is printed into the material. This patch I'm going to say is glued on. It's got like a felt sort of texture there. On this side, is that Champions patch or something maybe? 14-15. Again, I think that's been glued on, and another sleeve sponsor into the material. At the bottom, you just got the standard engineered Nike tag, which all these Nike sort of shirts have. And being the player spec one, you've got the breathable material down the side. So that's the front of our shirt. Let's flip it around and look at the reverse side of it too. Okay, we're on to the back, and we've got a sponsor at the top there. Once again, nice, it's into the material. I do like the idea of that. Just noticed actually the sleeve bit here, that very much looks like what the England shirt had from Nike, obviously the same sort of colours. And then at the bottom we have the AT&T network emblem, which again must be a reverse sponsor. And we've got the dry fit ADV. It has got some of the tag over it still. If I could pull that off with one hand. So it's just a bit of plastic, look, from where it's been pressed on there. They can be pulled off nice and easily. And then you've got the dry fit ADV tag there. Nothing really else to show you on the back. Stitching all looks good. Let's flip it inside out and take a look at that as well. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now. And here you can see the Nike emblem, which I said has been pressed on, and likewise the Club América emblem. Both of those absolutely perfect, no creases or nothing. We've then obviously got the shirt sponsor, which again has been pushed into the material, and because of that you'd know it's gone on perfectly well. Had one of the patches on this sleeve, no creases, nothing, gone on really well. And the sleeve sponsor cuts into the material, again absolutely perfect. Got the Mexico League patch on this side, gone real good, no creases, and the sponsor again into the material, looking absolutely perfect. The join on there, got loose cotton, but nothing really to worry about. Going to the bottom, you can just about make out the AT&T there. That gives you an indication on the lightweight see-throughness of the material. We have our washing instructions here. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out and put it onto a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let them hang dry. Never put them in a tumble dryer. In the UK, we've got some nice sun at the moment, so perfect to be hanging these shirts outside, and they will dry really nicely. That's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's flip it around and look at the other side now as well. This is a good one. I do like this shirt actually. I like the colour. Okay, the final part now of the inside of the shirt. I've got a CA emblem there. Didn't actually notice that when I had it the other way around, so that's obviously hidden relatively well. We've got our tags, Nike tags, the standard tags that you get with these sort of shirts. This is an XL, but it is a player spec one. So when you've got a player spec one, the recommendation is to size up. You can either go 1 or 2 up. I prefer sometimes on player ones going 2 sizes up, and that's because I always wear a shirt underneath. But if you just wear a singular shirt, then I think sizing up once is going to be perfect for you. It just depends what sort of style you like wearing when you're playing football or just wearing them out and about. I prefer having a bit of space to breathe in the shirt. By pushing actually on the material here, you can see now, look, there you go, really clearly the Club América badge. The Nike one not so much because we've got the sponsor up there, but that gives you hopefully a good view of how see-through this material actually is. Can't see my hand so well, probably because of the yellow, but as we pushed in you could see the badge really quite well. That's the inside of the shirt looked at. And there we have it, our Club América home shirt for the 24-25 season from BestZV1.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a link to my seller that I use for DHgate. I doubt they'll have this item, I've never seen it on there, so it will just be a generic item from their site, but it will take you to them and then you can have a look at some of the other products they are selling. Delivery timescales from BestZV1, you're looking at about 15 days, which is absolutely spot on and pretty much standard for what you get from these sort of shirts and sellers now. In all honesty, that's probably about some of the speed that you might get it from when you do go to like Nike or Adidas or something, so we can't fault that at all. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, I'll leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Before we wrap up the video, as I said, the seller is BestZV1, all details in the description of the video. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Like I said, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.